Welcome back. So today our place is to buy a farmhouse. I know a farmhouse is for sale. In the middle of the forest. And it's not too expensive. So, we can check out once. So, which one we are taking? Cadillac, XM, Range Rover, New Prado, Old Prado. I think XM will be a good option because we don't need to go deep inside the forest. Let's do the cold start. And for many days I have not driven this car. Let's take it. Looking good. Should we take this car to the next trip? Very soon in this garage also there will be changes. Because we are planning to buy a new car. So, maybe I have to make some changes. Let's see. This XM has good stability and speed. But the braking is very poor. It's not getting rolled over is the best thing. But the car is good overall. We can use it on a regular basis. We shouldn't not appreciate anything too much. See what happened. Stability of the car is fully compromised. Finally, we enter the forest. Now we have to look for the farmhouse. OH, here it is. No need to find it out. Looking good from outside as compared to price. We need to work on it a lot. Tree is broken and fallen on the house, which makes the house weak. Look good from outside. Don't know about inside. And this is maybe the parking. Now we can come here by sports car. We will park the sports car here and take out a truck or off-roading car from garage. Let's buy it. Now let's check it from inside. Very less space. Means we can't stay here for long. Other than everything is good. Just need to repair a little bit. And what about the garage? Okay, so here we can easily park at least for cars. That's good. Tomorrow we will bring some cars to the park here, as per our requirement. Let's spend today's night here. If we face any problem, then we will start our car and get back home. For now, let's park inside the garage. Who closed the garage? Now it's open. We can park more than 5 cars here. Tomorrow we will bring at least 3 cars. Let's spend the day here and see what else we required. Like, share, comment, subscribe.